How to fix subscribe button not working on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix subscribe button not working on Instagram. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you have selected your profile as your business type or into your professional account. So to do that, just head over to your this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and you should be landing on this page, which is the settings. And from over here, all you have to do is just click on this for professional section. Just tap on this. If you have already converted, you should be seeing such option over here. If you haven't already, you may have to scroll down until you see the option to change your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on this switch account type, and you just have to click on professional account if you are using a personal account. And once you do that, then only you should be seeing such button. You can insert such buttons such as subscribe. So if you are still not seeing or the subscribe button is simply not working, then in that case what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Instagram application and make sure your app is up to date. So once it's updated, you should be successfully seeing, and your subscribe button should be successfully working for all the users as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.